Well, DFLers in the Minnesota Senate today unveiled their plans to tackle fraud, but they say they need their colleagues in the tied House to jump on board. The Senate DFLers announced the bills during a press conference at the Capitol this morning. They would create an independent Office of Inspector General to investigate fraud, set higher standards and more unannounced visits in the grant process, and provide incentives for whistleblowers. Hermantown Senator Grant Hochschild says the plan would also upgrade government technology used to track grants.
County governments are working off of Medicaid software from 30, 40 years ago that still has a green screen. That's no way to operate our government programs so that we're adequately serving people.
We did reach out to our local Republicans today, but have not heard back. Hochschild says they have bipartisan support in the Senate, but now they're asking the tied state House to jump on board, especially when it comes to the Inspector General bill. This all comes amid allegations, of course, of billions of dollars worth of fraud in Minnesota's social service programs.